Do you think small talk is just pointless chit-chat? Think again. It's actually one of the most powerful tools for building relationships, making great first impressions, and even sounding more fluent in English. Let's unlock the secrets that actually work. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something really useful. Small talk phrases. Whether you're learning English, traveling, or just want to sound more natural when you talk, you need to master small talk. So let's get into it. Small talk is a powerful tool. It helps you to connect with people, to avoid awkward silences, to sound more like a native speaker, and it gives you a more friendly and approachable image. It also gives you the chance to learn about someone's culture, their interests, and personality, so you can ask better and more relevant questions. Now, what do people usually talk about when they make small talk? Here are some go-to topics. The weather, current news, travel, family and friends, work, and food. For things like hobbies, free time, and sports, a great way to start is by saying, "I don't know much about tennis. Could you tell me more about it, please? How do you play?" It shows curiosity and invites the other person to share. For travel, you could ask, "Do you enjoy traveling? Do you have any exciting trips coming up? What was your favorite place that you've been to so far?" And after they mention a place, you can follow up with, "Oh, I've heard great things about that place. What did you like the most?" You'll notice how the conversation flows naturally when you ask follow-up questions. For example, if they say, "I went to Japan last year," you can say, "Wow, that sounds amazing. What was the highlight of your trip?" This shows that you're engaged and it keeps the chat flowing. So next time you meet someone new, try out these small talk phrases. You'll be surprised how far a simple question can take you. If you found this helpful, please remember to share, like, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. See you next time.